All right, we have another sweet one today. 2009 Mustang, 17,000 miles. Beautiful car. It's actually a show car. We installed our Paxton Novi 2200 Brenspeed turnkey package. What I love about this car is stock, except for an aluminum drive shaft, some pipes, muffler. So here's what we have going. Don't forget, check the description about everything I'm going to tell you. How do you get a quote on getting this installed? You email quote@brenspeed.com. So thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. We're going to make a couple dyno pulls. But first, let's go over and check out the engine compartment. All right, before we jump right into the dyno pulls, we're going to take a little bit of a closer look at the engine compartment. I have Doug with me, if you don't mind, come down here. This is, of course, the polished system. We're talking Novi 2200. Normally it's satin, but we do have an option to get it polished. It's air-to-air intercooled. But what else comes in our kit? You get 39-pound fuel injectors, one-step Kohler spark plugs, a kidney bell booster pump, an SCT tuner, and our calibration. So we can do this via mail order, or we can do it in-house. And hey, no worries. If you already have an SCT tuner, you don't have to buy one. We can do the calibration through email. So again, 93 octane, manual transmission, it has an aluminum drive shaft, pipes, mufflers, but besides that, totally stock. Now, a lot of you are gonna watch this video and be like, hey, is that too much power for my stock engine? No worries, I have a good video I'll put at the end of this video. You can click on, it's gonna tell you all about how much power and torque I feel, which is really torque, is too much on the stock engine. So check that video out, but let's get to these dyno pulls. All right, 2 pulls. I love these numbers. Doug, check it out. First pull, I took it up a little higher, 6540, 502 real horsepower on a Dynojet SAE. Second pull, 497 at 6400. Torque came in right where I want it. 436 to the tires on the first pull, 420 on the second. If you don't mind, Doug, maybe back out, show the whole graph just a little bit. But these are great numbers. Going from stock to this, the power gain is absolutely huge. So I like keeping that torque below 450. That's my rule of thumb, and that's what I will talk to you about on the next video if you do click on it. And I do want to go over like what would you do next. You have a stock car, you put the blower on. But before I do, Doug, look at this. So 09 Mustang, super clean, 17,000 miles. Check the hood out. This hood's awesome. So we got a carbon fiber hood on it. Really clean, sweet show car. I don't know if you can see, it's got carbon fiber wrap up on the top. It's got some carbon fiber in the engine compartment. I could totally roll in this. I love this car. I like the wheels. So what's next? So you have a stock 3-valve Mustang. You're getting the blower. You've got that on there. Like I like our Detroit rocker cams. That's going to give you that lopey muscle car sound. So that would be a really good option on this. And then of course a set of headers and free-flowing exhaust, because this has stock exhaust manifolds and stock cats on it. So the good thing about all those mods I just told you, you're going to raise your rear wheel horsepower, but your peak torque, so maybe that 430 might go up to like 440. So your peak torque's not gonna go over that 450 number I like, but it's gonna stay up way longer. So where stock cams, the torque might fall off, or stock exhaust, it's just gonna stay up a little bit longer. And that's what's great about that, really, with no noticeable low end loss. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave a comment if you have questions. Don't forget everything we talked about as far as the blower goes and what drive shafts on this car. I will put a link in the description. And then you can email quote@brenspeed.com, say, hey, I want that. What's it cost to get installed? Or maybe you got a truck. Who knows? Thanks for watching.